Des at King of the Pit TV signing in. We're on track number 8 of our entire listen through to Nightwish's first record, Angels Fall First. This one's entitled Know Why the Nightingale Sings. Ooh! Brilliant riff, sounds very 80s. Did I just hear something sampled in it? What's that? Is that like a baby noise there? Some brilliant riffs on this one. Really like the riffs on this one. Sounds 80s glam rock style riffs. What do you think came first, the guitar solo or the vocals? Wow. Sim sounds like a big glockenspiel. Wow, very good. Them solos at the end were brilliant. The guitars were absolutely fantastic. Might have been my favourite guitars in the whole record so far. The guitars were awesome. They were pretty glam. From the riff to the guitar solo, they're really good. Let's move on. We've got one, two, three, four parts of this song, so we're going to listen to it all in one sitting. We're not going to treat them as individual tracks unless that's the way they end up working out, but we're going to see what they're saying. So this is Lapai, part 1, okay? I don't know how to pronounce this, so correct me if my pronunciation is right or wrong. Is it Lapi, part 1?